Hello, good evening, everyone. This is Ananya Banerjee, and today I am going to upload the fourth part of the lecture series My Mother at 66 NCERT poem of class 12th Flamingo. And this part, that is the fourth part, deals with the topic or deals with the attribute of mind map of the entire poem of My Mother at 66. So do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, and without wasting much of your time, let's begin with the mind map of this chapter. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, which means Poet visited her mother's place, and after spending time, she drove from mother's home to Cochin Friday morning. I saw my mother beside me. That means Poet's mother was sitting beside her in the car. Doors open, mouth. Her mother was feeling sleepy, and that's why her mouth was open. Her face ashen like that of a corpse. That means her face is compared to that of dead body of greyish color, which signifies that she is lacking strength, brightness and vitality. This line is having the poetic device of simile. And realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, means poet notices her mother, who was no longer younger and was as her age. The poet realized with pain the fear of losing her mother, as her mother was inching closer to death, and she knows the fact that there is no surety of human life, that is, we are mortals. But soon put that thought away, means she did not wanted to carry this bad thought of losing her mother. Young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes, means so she was looking outside and saw the trees running back, that means sprinting, and happy children were coming out as water gushes out from the source and can't be stopped. The poetic device used here is contrast. Contrast is there as poet suddenly moves from old to young. Contrast is there because trees are moving fast and children are coming out fast, which shows agility. But on the other hand, mother is getting old and aging. Time is also moving fast. The poetic device used here is metaphor, trees sprinting, children spilling out, metaphor and imagery. But after the airport's security check, standing a few yards away, after the security check, the poet was standing away from her mother. I looked again at her, wan, pale as a late winter's moon. That means poet looked at her mother again, and she compared the face of mother to winter moon, which due to fog and mist lacks brightness, since moon is not visible. This signifies that her mother is lacking strength and brightness. Her face is colorless, pale and dull due to lack of blood circulation. As late winter's moon, poetic device is simile, and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fear. But then the poet felt a known pain again when, as a child, the poet got to know what death is. She developed the fear of losing her mother. That is a common symptom between children. But all I said was, "See you soon, Amma." All I did was smile and smile and smile. All that the poet said before while bidding an adieu was, "See you soon, Amma," and smiled. Poetic device is smile, smile, and smile, that is repetition. And this was an expectation to meet her again, to see off on a happy note with the hope to meet her again. Poem ending on positive note, faked her smile as she wanted to hide her pain from her mother. So thank you, like, share, comment and subscribe. So with this we come to the end of the entire mind map in a very quick way, so that before your examinations, when you are having a very less amount of time and you need to practice and learn and revise a lot of chapters, this mind map will help you a lot. And thank you for being a part of the entire lecture series of My Mother at 66. And subscribe to our channel for more such educational videos. I will be uploading the videos of other subjects as well from 6th to 10th, along with the English literature and language portion of 11th and 12th, and also having many such ideas of educational videos in my mind, in my soul. Will be executing with that also. So till we meet again, have a great day ahead. Take care of yourselves, your family. Bye bye.